Hello and welcome to Members on the Mic with the Troy Chamber of Commerce, where we connect with Troy Chamber members as they give us a glimpse into their company and share some of the business lessons they've learned along the way. Hi, everyone. I'm Tara Thompson-Cusack, President and CEO of the Troy Chamber of Commerce, and I'm here today with my amazing co-host and Vice President of the Chamber, Sheila Denstead.
Hello, everyone.
That was a long hello.
Hello.
I like woo. So first, I'd like to take a moment to thank our presenting sponsor, Trion Solutions. Stay tuned as we're going to hear a little commercial from them later on, and you can learn how you can rely on Trion. So we've got a great show lined up today. So Sheila, what amazing member are we going to be meeting with today?
Well, I'm actually very, very excited to be here today with David LeVasseur. David grew up in Royal Oak and is currently residing in Lake Orion, where he lives with his wife and is a proud father of 3 boys and may or may not DJ on the side.
What? Wiki.
David comes to us today.
See, we're already having fun. This is the way to do it. Now Sheila's laughing.
Sorry, should I not,
I'm sorry,
should
I have to
not
focus.
interrupt?
I have to
Okay, go ahead.
refocus. I
We're
have to
engaging.
recenter.
Engage.
David comes to us today from Superior National Bank. He has over 20 years of banking industry experience and currently serves as Vice President and Business Development Officer. David, welcome.
Hello.
20 years. I'm guessing you started at age 3.
Oh, thank you for that. No, but I remember going to the Christmas party and I was not old enough to drink.
Aww.
So I was like 19.
You were just a wee thing at that time. So speaking of that, obviously, how'd you get your start into banking? Like, was this your childhood dream to be in banking?
Absolutely not. No. DJing, yes.
Oh,
Banking, no.
good.
But that being said, so I started out at a mortgage company as the runner, the gopher.
Oh, the
Like
coffee guy.
The coffee guy,
Nice.
yeah. I'd pick up the bagels.
Or
Hey, you did
donuts.
bring us
Grab lunch.
donuts today.
I did.
So you're
Yeah.
still following trend.
Weren't those delicious?
They were.
They
Okay.
were.
Sheila did not have one.
Oh, I lied. I did have one pass a
Like,
long time ago.
Long time ago. I pounded
Duck
one.
Donuts are yummy.
I still probably have
Plug for
frosting
Duck
on me.
Donuts.
I'm good. It was delicious.
Troy Chamber
Demi,
member.
great job. Okay. Sorry. Go.
No, that's cool. So I started off as the runner, the gopher for the mortgage company. The mortgage company decided to get their charter as a bank. And when that happened, we opened up a branch in Birmingham. And I asked if I could be a teller. I mean, who wants to be a gopher? As their goal for their goal in life. So I was a teller. And then over the years, gradually moved up to assistant manager, branch manager. And eventually, got to where I'm at now. Main Street hired me about 8 years ago to open up our Troy branch, which opened up in 2013. Obviously, Main Street's no longer. We were acquired by Superior National Bank about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, tell us what you're doing now. Your role in business development as a vice president. Tell us what you do. What's a day look like for David?
Well, I do come and do the Troy Chamber podcast.
Excellent
Sounds like
start.
a great day.
Yeah, I do a lot of chamber events. I know we have some things coming up off the clock. What else is there?
Oh, there's
what's
a little bit.
What's the morning minute?
Well, we had the morning jam. This morning,
jam, you
we
did.
had an event, but it's funny. We do about 90 events a year, so
Yeah.
you pick.
You've been to most
I'm
of
just
them,
trying to give
too.
you guys a plug.
You did a good job.
So a lot of chamber events, different networking events, getting involved with the community, work with my current network referral partners, and just try to make everyone aware of the bank and, let everybody know what I do as a banker.
So what is it you do as a banker, I guess, in that aspect? Because
That's
when
a
you're
good question.
talking out in the community,
So you hand out money to everyone, right?
oh, I love this.
Yes, $100 bills every Friday at 3 o'clock.
And that's how you get our business.
Yeah. Business development, I'm just out there, like I said, making people aware of the bank, just trying to bring in new business, right? I look at it as I'm just making friends with people. And I have made a lot of friends through the chamber and through different networking groups. So I'm just out there trying to make everyone aware, trying to build my referral partners, different people I can work with, and just bringing in new business. So, if somebody wants to open a business account, they'll call me. They want a commercial loan, a commercial line of credit, basically anything. But my main focus is commercial banking, business banking.
Which makes sense. That's why you have so many friends. You're out and about making friends. They already have your phone number to call you.
Exactly. Right. So it kind of builds upon itself, right? It's kind of the snowball that starts small and gets bigger.
What do you think is the most difficult part of trying to make some new relationships and some contacts? Obviously, you mentioned chamber events, and that's great. But how do you sometimes just approach a business in general?
Through the referrals mainly. Warm leads. I don't cold call that much. I think it's kind of a thing of the past, but I rely on my referral network. So friends and family members and current customers. Obviously, I mean, your best referral is from a happy customer. So.
Well, and they wouldn't refer you if they weren't happy customers anyway. So that's a good sign in itself.
That's true. So, yeah. So like I said, I just make friends. I'm just out having a good time, meeting people. I like to think I click with people pretty quick. But I don't sell. I don't sell.
Yeah.
Right. I'm not a salesman. I just like to build relationships, and if people need something, I just hope they come to me. I hope they think of me when they're looking for some banking products.
Well, and you don't have to sell, I think, is the thing. I think when you have a reliable brand and you have these referrals, you shouldn't even look at it as you're selling. You're looking at it of how can I serve you? What are these ways that we can work together? And I think that's what kind of stands out. So I like the fact that you say we don't sell per se.
Right. I'm just helping people.
Yeah. Well, you're helping us today, and you helped my belly with that donut. But guys, we're going to take a quick little break. We are going to hear a word from our presenting sponsor, Trion Solutions, so stay tuned.
This is the time when businesses look back at the past year and plan changes for the new year ahead, especially in payroll and taxes, benefits administration, workers' compensation, and regulatory compliance. Were you happy with the way they were handled this year? Well, now's the time to reach out to Trion Solutions, one of the nation's top professional employer organizations, to discuss a more efficient and effective way to manage HR in the year ahead. Contact Trion today at relyontrion.com.
Welcome back to Members on the Mic with the Tri Chamber of Commerce. We're here with David LeVasseur from Superior National Bank. Okay, David, we've known you for several years, and you, like you said, were originally from Main Street Bank, which was acquired by Superior National Bank. Can you tell us a little bit about how the acquisition has impacted just the employees, but the employees and the customers?
Sure. Yeah, absolutely. So, like I mentioned, they acquired us maybe 2 years ago. The conversion wasn't official until February of this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So, like the name change on the buildings and the conversion of, our products and services and the programs we use. And it went really well because I've been through a few of these, and they're not always fun for the employees or the customers.
Hey, you didn't go back to bringing coffee, so that's a good sign, though.
That's true. You're right. I made the cut.
You made the cut.
Maybe not after this. I don't know. We'll see. So, but honestly, it went really well. I mean, they really took their time. They did everything right. Their number one priority was the customers and making sure that everything was going to go smoothly and be taken care of. So, it went really well, and so far so good. Yeah.
Well, and it's good to hear that type of information, because when you hear about acquisitions, it's nice when they think about it from the employee perspective too. It shows a company that truly cares. And I think that will obviously showcase as well with the customer base. So are the customers feeling happy and excited about some of these changes?
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, Superior National Bank, they're headquartered in the UP. They've been around since 1890, right?
Wow.
So over 130 years. And they serve the UP.
That's Upper Peninsula to those outside of
Upper
our
Peninsula,
state.
yes.
Or Upers.
Or Upers.
Yeah. Pasties are delicious.
Or
They're pasties.
Is that how you call it? I don't know.
This is a family show.
Pasty is a different word.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Different word, buddy.
Really?
Yeah, it's a pasty.
What's a pasty?
Again,
I'm
a
sorry. Okay,
family
we won't-
show.
It's something usually covered in sparkles, and we won't go there. We'll talk
Okay.
later. That's an offline.
All right. No, but yeah, we have higher lending limits. We have a wealth management portion of the bank. You know, a trust, wealth management, and trust side of the bank, and so those are things that can really help people with retirement planning, and maybe if they don't like some of the bank products, the rates are kind of low. We can help them with that, and that was something that Main Street didn't have.
That's great. Yeah, good to know.
Hey, Tara.
Oh, speaking
Sorry,
of knowing,
I
wow.
didn't mean to scare you there. But it's my favorite time, and I know this time's your favorite too. Did you know?
Oh, did you know segment? This is so exciting. What are we going to learn today about a chamber membership? What do we got?
Well, I am going to tell you all about the various opportunities there are to sponsor events, be it fun ones like Off the Clock, like David mentioned, or the golf outing like David sponsors through Superior National Bank. They may be the Bloody Mary truck. I don't know.
Oh, delicious.
But we also have educational sessions too in our CEO series, which are always great events. And there's lots of different opportunities to sponsor those types of events, which helps you get more publicity, gets your name out there, lots of promotion, and allows us to continue to give back to our members. But to learn more about that, do you want to know where you need to go?
I wonder.
TroyChamber.com.
That was amazing, Sheila. Thank you so much for our Did You Know segment. And now I know, and you know too. And David, as we're talking about that, Tee Off for Troy, you guys have been coming back year and year and year, and you do bring a lot of fun and excitement. But what keeps you coming back, I guess, is the question.
Well, yeah, we like partnering with the Troy Chamber. We've done other sponsorships over the years. I think we sponsored Inside Corporate Troy.
Yes,
Oh,
the one when it
yeah.
first started.
When it first
back
started,
in the
is
day.
this different than that?
This is different. Yeah,
So you guys still do that?
We do. We have our video series as well.
Okay.
It's on our YouTube channel.
Very cool. Yeah. But yeah, the golf outing it's just a lot of fun. You get to meet a lot of different people. You can take people out, and you get to be with somebody for 4.5, 5 hours, and you can spend time getting to know them. So. And it's just a lot of fun. You guys do a great job with that. We did sponsor the Bloody Mary Mimosa Bar.
You get the fun spot. Like, I feel like people
Yeah.
flock to you guys in the morning, and it's like the highlight of
course.
everyone.
Yeah,
They're
don't eat
popular.
first. Go to the Bloody Mary bar.
They don't even register with us first. It's straight over there.
It is true. That is true. Actually, we have to hunt them down at registration because they're already hanging out at your Bloody Mary bar. I'll give you that.
Yeah, yeah, that's a lot of fun. We enjoy that.
Well, here's another question for you that can help our members that are listening today. What other advice do you have for them for getting involved with chambers, with the business community, how they can use that to their benefit?
Yeah, I mean, just get involved and get out there and get involved as many different things as you can. I know the chamber has business development groups. Those are fun. You get to meet people through there, and sponsorships, and you really have to just be out. I know sometimes people don't, either they're uncomfortable or they don't have the motivation to go, but you just have to get out and get involved and, really get out there.
Well, and I think that's true when we talk about relationships, that we have to also invite people in. And I think that's one of those issues is, like you said, sometimes people are nervous. And I think that's something that's great about chambers and groups like this. You can say, hey, you're by yourself. Come on over here. Let's meet everybody.
Yeah, make people feel
yeah,
comfortable.
it's that comfort level, but it's also sometimes it's the quiet one who might have the thing that you need for your business. And it's nice to make sure that we all take the time to open doors for each other.
Well, and that's a good point. That person that's maybe not too outgoing or hanging out in the corner. If you go talk to them, you never know what that can lead to, and they'll appreciate that.
Yeah, you don't struggle at all with the outgoing part, do you?
No.
All right. So we're getting to that point. We need to get one last piece of information, a nugget, something you can leave our listeners with that are going to help them continue to thrive from today throughout 2022, 2023, and beyond. What is that piece of knowledge?
Bum, bum, bum.
No
Wow,
pressure.
I didn't know.
No pressure.
I didn't know this was coming.
This is why we throw this one. We don't let you know in advance.
You know what? Just have a good time. You're here for a short time. No, what is it? I'm here for a good time.
I like that.
Maybe
Instead of a
not-
short time,
not
a
a long
good
time.
time.
Yeah.
Good time.
Bring donuts. I mean, listen, we've all been through some interesting times lately.
Absolutely.
And, you just have to, life's too short. You just have to enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Love it. That is the truth. That is the truth. David, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you for sharing about you, about Superior National Bank. And I do have to leave you with, we don't have pens from you. I need some Superior National Bank pens ASAP.
Wow.
And I have some calendars. Do you want me to drop those
Oh,
off?
calendars are good too,
Yeah.
but pens too.
Pens.
Yes.
I was
got
just
you.
content with the donut, but thank you. It was a good strawberry donut.
When we wrap here, we'll go get another one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will.
Okay.
Well, and that's all we have here today at Members on the Mic with the Tri-Chamber of Commerce. Special thanks to David LeVasseur with Superior National Bank and to our presenting sponsor, Trion Solutions. For more information on upcoming events or how to join the Troy Chamber of Commerce, go to, I'm going to point at Sheila because she was really good at saying it earlier. Go to
www.troychamber.com.
Thanks, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.